Hello friends, today I am going to teach you kangaroo mother care. Kangaroo mother care, the word is been derived from the kangaroo itself. How the kangaroo is keeping his baby in his abdomen pouch, same like it is applied in the human beings. Here the mother and child will get the skin to skin contact. By this the thermoregulation can be maintained for the child. It is not only that mother has to provide the kangaroo mother care, the father also can provide the kangaroo mother care. I am going to teach how you can do this procedure. First of all, the baby has to be, all the cloth of the baby has to be removed. If it is required, you can put a small nappy on the baby and a small cap can be kept on the head, because head is the surface area of the head is big, so the heat loss of the head from the head is possible. So preventing from the heat loss, you can keep the cap on the baby's head. Then mother has to be put in the comfortable position. Her head can be elevated bit, so mother feel comfortable. It's preferable that mother may have the gown or the shirt which is having the front button, so that front button can be removed and the chest area of the mother is being made naked. Undergarment can be removed of the mother. Then baby, gently the baby to be carried on the mother, and when the mother is on supine position, the baby will be kept on the prone position in such a way. The baby's hand will be kept in the position, so the how the baby was in the womb, and the head of the baby will be tilt in one side. By this, the skin to skin contact between the mother's skin and the baby's skin is possible. By this, the thermoregulation can be done and the breastfeeding initiative can be start, and this procedure can be start as early as possible when the mother and child both are stable. Thank you.